Delta Unisaw from 1948. Brand new 2 horsepower Leeson made in USA motor. Dust door. Hand wheels with the light gray. This is a Allen Bradley manual starter. 2 horsepower capacity. Heater's properly sized. Made a motor cover to match with a custom badge. And the way this is attached, I made a little French cleat that hooks to the frame of the motor, or excuse me, the cabinet of the saw. And then the motor cover just sits right on the little French cleat that's along the top. And that way it comes off easily. Tabletop. And then this one has a pop-up splitter. Which goes down below the table and above. So there we have it, another one all done.